Hi, my name is Alejandra Penagos. I am 20 years old. I work in the day and I study in the night. I like to listen to music and see videos of crafts. I also like to read stories of horror in the supernatural. My family is composed more or less by 45 members, but I only live with 3 people. My mom is named Nelly Eraki. She is 46 years old and working as a florist in the floral company QFC SAS. She has black hair and very long. Her height is 1.47 meters. She likes watching videos of reflection and animals. My sister Marta Lancheros, she is 16 years old. She is still studying and she is in grade 11. She has long hair and is chocolate colored. Her height is 1.60 meters. She likes to dance and listen to music. My brother Javier Lancheros, she is 15 years old and is still in grade 9. He has black hair and his height is 1.69 meters. He likes to play soccer and play mental games.